Hello, my name is Steve Stu Pontrello. Welcome to Barlow Work Trucks here in Delray, New Jersey. And I want to show you about a smoking deal that we have for you in stock, ready to go. A 2023 Chevy 4500 gas, low cab forward, equipped with a 20-foot Bay Bridge body. This cab chassis is the same as Isuzu NPR Gas HD. Again, single cab, 3-man, 14.5 GVW. They're the same truck. We sell both. We're manufactured for Chevy as well as an Isuzu. Folding mirrors on both sides. Again, turning radius, cab over design. Engine sits right underneath the cab. 19.5 tires, 6.6 gas engine, 6 high-speed automatic transmission. We equipped it again with a 20-foot Bay Bridge drive van body. Aluminum sheet and post, 3M built. Great for decal in the truck, great for lettering the truck, no rivets. Cast iron corner caps all the way around, better than plastic, more durable. And we also did for the chassis a catalytic converter, stainless steel. We stock all our Isuzu and Chevy gases with a catalytic converter stainless steel cage. Let me talk a little bit more again about the body. 20-foot dry van, 91 high, 96 wide, 14-foot aluminum walk ramp, hardwood flooring, plywood line all the way around, 2 rows of E-track on the sides to lock in your equipment, and we did 2 interior LED lights. Most trucks come standard with 1. We added a second one, again, to get you more light. If your workers are working on the road or the job sites, you want to get more light, you can add E-track as well as D-rings in this truck. There's a switch. We have a backup camera as well with 2 grab handles. And we did a drop step bumper. This truck has about 6,500 pounds payload. Again, non-CDL, road ready, ready to go. We detail our trucks, full fuel, and we deliver all over the country. Smoking deal, leftover fleet deal, 2023 Chevy. Again, 4500 gas, single cab, equipped with a 20-foot Bay Bridge body. Visit us online at barlowworktrucks.com or give us a call at 856-461-8400. We got 3 guys dedicated to selling to the commercial truck market. Myself, Steve Stu Pontrello, Greg Pumpkinhead Lamb, and Chuck Elskamp. Over 100 years of experience. We deliver the truck right to you. We send the paperwork out. It's a seamless process. We do all commercial truck vehicles. We can sell pickups, SUVs to our commercial truck customers, but we are your one-stop shop for light and medium duty needs. Again, give us a call at 856-461-8400 or visit all of our inventory like this one online at barlowworktrucks.com. My name is Steve Stu. Thank you for watching.